Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a before and after effects to your video in CapCut. So just start by adding a video like this and then go to where you want the before and after effects to start. For example, I'm going to start in here. Split the video into two. Now on the second video, you need to add some after effects. So let's say I'm going to change the coloring, so I'm going to add some filter into the second video. Here I'm going to select, let's try this one, the Shirley filter. I'm going to go with 100. You can see the difference between the two video. Okay, so after this, what you need to do is add fade in animations to the second clip. Okay, find fade in. Don't forget to adjust the duration. Click on the check icon and let's add this transition. So click on the transition box, go to mask and select this comparison to create the before and after effect on the video. So after that, you are finished and this will be the result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Thank you.